At the recently concluded eicma in Milan, Italy, Peugeot, a company that's popularly known as a manufacturer of sedans, hatchbacks, vans, and SUVs, has joined the booming ADV scooter segment with their new XP400. The best part? It's coming to the Philippines and it's going to be expressways legal. Welcome to Milgarage channel. On the outside, the new Peugeot XP400 has some styling cues inspired by Honda's XADV 750 scooter. On the inside, it is powered by a 400 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces a claimed 39 PS of power and 38 Nm of torque. As with most modern maxi scooters, the XP400 enjoys an abundance of under-seat and glove box storage. The XP400 will be available in two variants: Allure and GT. The Allure will be the road spec variant that will enjoy a set of alloy wheels. The GT, on the other hand, is the off-road biased XP400 and will come equipped with spoked rims. Both scooters will also ride on 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels. Other features include dual front disc brakes, ABS, a 5-inch color TFT screen, USB charging ports, and many more. This new scooter looks very promising here in the country, especially since it will be an expressways legal maxi scooter based on its engine displacement. So, the next question would be, when will it be available? Motopinas.com asked Ms. Camille Liu of Motostrada Philippines, the official Philippine distributor of Peugeot motorcycles, if and when will the XP400 land on our shores, and she confirmed that the new Peugeot scooter will be enjoyed by Pinoy riders. European deliveries will commence early in 2023, and Philippine deliveries might follow soon. The price is yet to be announced.